Hello, I'm Heather Battaglia with Health Renewed Coaching here in Macomb Township, and this is my friend, Dr. Brad, with Elite Chiropractic and Wellness in Sterling Heights. Together we are going to be offering a class October 24th at 6:30 at Elite Chiropractic and Wellness in Sterling Heights, and we would like to give you 5 reasons you should join us. Dr. Brad?
Well, our number one reason to join us is you're going to learn how to maintain a healthy spine and nervous system and also learn why that's important. Number 2, you're going to learn healthy habits that are going to encourage you and give you the information you need to live that ideal 100-year lifestyle with the knowledge that you know.
And number 3, staying active. Why is that important, and how is that going to help you live your 100-year lifestyle? Because once we stay active, that moves us right into number 4 of being independent,
Exactly.
right? We want to be independent as we age, and how can we make that happen? And number 5, my favorite, what to eat, right? We're all wondering what we should be eating and getting conflicting information. So I'm going to make it easy for you and help break it down into what you should be eating to stay healthy.
Right? And what you shouldn't be eating,
Yes.
like sugar.
Right, absolutely. So we hope that you can join us on October 24th at 6:30 and tell them the bonus.
The bonus would be we're serving dinner.
Yes, you can come and have dinner with us, and we will have a great prize for one lucky winner with lots of wonderful goodies inside. So check out the post and comments below and get signed up today for your spot, because there's only how many, Dr. Brad?
Only 10 spots available.
Yeah, so you don't want to miss this. There's only 10 spots. We want you to be there. So I hope that you'll join us.
See you there.